Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to safely eject the connected USB flash drive from this iPhone. So here you can see I already connected this USB flash drive to my phone. So on the files application, you can see the USB storage name you can see here. You can access the files also. So let me show you how to safely eject this connected USB flash drive. So you will not get any option to safely eject this flash drive. If you press and hold the name of the USB flash drive, you will get three options. You can rename, you can erase, and you can get the information. If you open the USB storage on, you can view all the files and you can see the three dots on the top right side. If you tap on this one, here also you will not get any option to safely eject the connected USB storage. So I will show you how to properly safely eject the connected USB storage flash drive from this device. Just close all the applications and just eject this one. That's it. So simply in this way we can safely eject the connected USB flash drive from the iPhone. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.